Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to update Google Play Store to the latest version on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first, you just have to make sure that your phone is connected to the internet first by Wi-Fi or mobile data. And after, go to the Play Store options. And then in this Play Store, you just have to go to your icon account at the top right in the corner of your screen. And now scroll it down until we find the settings options. And after, go to this about option, tap on it, and it will be a more option at the bottom, you guys. We'll see here the Play Store version. And as you can see, this is my Play Store version, you guys. If you want to update it, you just have to tap on this update Play Store. I'm gonna tap on it. And as it happens, my Play Store is on the newest or the latest versions. So yeah, if you want to update it, you just have to tap on this update Play Store. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.